The names of the 5 people symbolizing a wider group are not immediately recognizable, but as Time magazine editors explain, they are ordinary men and women who have made extraordinary sacrifices to curb the spread of Ebola in West Africa and from there to the rest of the world.
We really wanted to draw attention to the people who, from the very beginning, when they were being ignored by many bureaucrats and government officials, decided this is a potential danger. It's a potential danger not just to our communities but to the world, and we are going to do what we can to prepare and fight it on the ground.
The virus that spread like wildfire through West Africa earlier this year has killed more than 6,300 people, most of them in Liberia, Guinea, and Sierra Leone. Close to 18,000 infected people have been identified, although officials say the real number may be higher. This year's Person of the Year will feature 5 covers, each showcasing a prominent figure in the battle against Ebola. Dr. Jerry Brown, a Liberian surgeon, was chosen for the main cover.
Very early on, when he started hearing reports about this disease rearing up, he became very afraid that it might, the way he put it in an interview is that it might wipe his country off the map.
Dr. Kent Brantley, an American physician with the humanitarian group Samaritan's Purse, is one of the others. He got infected himself while helping Ebola patients in Monrovia and was returned to the United States for successful treatment. Humanitarian workers still fighting to save lives in the hardest hit areas say they appreciate the magazine's recognition.
I'm thankful that they have put a spotlight back on Ebola, because these Ebola fighters are fighting right now. And Ebola is not over with. People are dying as we speak. So I'm just grateful that Time magazine put the spotlight on it, because it needs to be there. And these Ebola fighters are heroes.
3 other people on the Time cover will be American Ella Watson-Stryker, a health promoter at Doctors Without Borders, Liberian ambulance worker Fode Gala, and Liberian nurse assistant Salome Karwa. Time magazine editor Nancy Gibbs introduces this year's choice with the proverb, "Not the glittering weapon fights the fight, but rather the hero's heart." Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.